So I want to now take you to the Lok Sabha where heated discussions will be accepted. A three-line whip has been issued by the BJP and its allies to their members of parliament. They have to be present. They have to be participating in the discussion. All BJP top allies have decided for now, according to our information, to back the bill. That means the numbers are staking in favour of the NDA alliance. According to information accessed by India Today, there were recommendations, though, that had come in from the alliance partners. Telugu Desam Party, Janata Dal United and Chirag Paswan's LJP focusing on upcoming Bihar elections. All of these recommendations have been incorporated by the Joint Parliamentary Committee, and therefore the partners, the alliance partners, have come forward to express support. I want to now take you through the numbers. Eventually, it's a numbers game in the parliament. Here's what you need to know. The NDA has, look at that, 293 members of parliament. India bloc has 238. Close enough, but clearly NDA alliance has the majority and BJP wants the alliance partners to be on the same page to add to the numbers. The government needs a simple majority to pass the amendment, at least in lower house of the parliament. It appears they'll manage this easily now that the NDA partners have come on board. The halfway mark is 271. But the BJP and the NDA wants even the opposition parties, alliance partners in the opposition India bloc, also to come forth and support to add to the numbers.
ये तो जैसे विपक्ष हो, कांग्रेस हो या डीएमके हो, तृणमूल कांग्रेस हो, ये लगातार उकसाने की कोशिश कर रही है। हमने तो इनके इश्यूज को भी एड्रेस किया है। हमने तो जेडीयू हो या हमारी चंद्रबाबू नायडू की पार्टी हो, एकनाथ शिंदे की हो, चिराग पासवान के, सबके मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट हमारे जेपीसी के मेंबर थे और जो भी उनके इशूज हैं उसको उसी समय हमने अपने मीटिंग में सभी इशूज को, सभी कंसर्न को एड्रेस किया है।
तो मैं इस विधेयक का स्वागत करता हूं और हमारी पार्टी की ओर से, हमारे जनता दल यूनाइटेड की ओर से इस विधेयक का समर्थन में और हमारे जितने सांसद हैं उन्हें व्हिप जारी करके निर्देश दिया गया है कि वे 2, 3 और 4 इस अप्रैल को सदन में उपस्थित रहेंगे और वो सरकार का समर्थन करेंगे। खास करके ये वक्त संशोधन विधेयक का जो आपका समर्थन करके उसमें वोटिंग में भाग लेना है, सरकार का समर्थन करना है, ऐसा निर्देश दे दिया गया है।
संभवतः कल पार्लियामेंट में पेश होने वाले वक्फ संशोधन बिल पे पूरे देश की नहीं, पूरे मुस्लिम समाज की निगाह भी जमी हुई है। लगभग 9 लाख एकड़ वक्फ बोर्ड की ज़मीन, जिस पे बहुत से लोगों ने इलीगल कब्जा भी बना रखा है, अगर संशोधन बिल द्वारा ये ज़मीनों पे कब्जा वापस लेके मुसलमानों के हित में अगर संशोधन बिल आता है तो निसंदेह हमारी पार्टी उसका समर्थन भी करेगी।
मुझे लगता है कि ट्रिपल तलाक के बाद बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण बिल कल संसद में आएगा और जिससे अब तक मुस्लिम समाज को न्याय नहीं मिला था, वो मुस्लिम समाज को, गरीब मुसलमान को न्याय देने का काम ये वक्फ अमेंडमेंट बिल 2025 करेगा। सबसे बड़ा लैंड होल्डर आज वक्फ है, उसमें बहुत सारे लूप होल्स, उसके अंदर बहुत सारा भ्रष्टाचार, ये सब इतने सालों तक चलता आ रहा था।
हम देश के और बिहार के मुस्लिम संगठन, आम मुस्लिम जनों से भी राय ली थी। उसके आधार पर उन्होंने कुछ सुझाव दिए थे। उसमें 1-2 सुझाव ये भी था कि जैसे वक्फ औलाद के लिए जो होता था उसमें पहले सिर्फ बेटों को अधिकार था या अभी तक है, वो हमारी पार्टी चाहती है कि नहीं, अगर वक्फ अगर किसी ने किया है तो उसके औलाद में बेटे और बेटियों को भी लाभ मिले। चूंकि हमारे पार्टी का सोच रहा है युवा और महिला, MY का समीकरण चल रहा है और जो सोर्सेस कह रहे हैं कि शायद सरकार ने इन सुझावों को, जो हमारी नेता और हमारी पार्टी का था, उसको उस पर सहमति दी है, ये सूचना मुझे आ रही है।
Piyush Mishra continues to be with us. Piyush, what do you think really will be now the significance for the NDA if all the alliance partners are supporting? And I wonder how the opposition will ensure that even the NDA trying to convince them does not happen, because Kerala could be, I feel, one of those states where the Congress, the left, could actually be in pressure.
Well, NDA has got a lot of support and the kind of support which LJP and TDP and JDU also extended. It has now given a big boost to Bharatiya Janata Party, and that is why they are very confident to get this bill passed from Lok Sabha. Though there are some opposition political parties who are still requesting the likes of TDP and JDU to vote against this bill. But whip has been issued by both the parties to their MLAs, to their MPs to come on the floor of the House and support this bill. So the government will have an easy way as far as passing from Lok Sabha is concerned. And today itself we can expect the reply also given by the government. And by evening this bill is likely to be passed from Lok Sabha. Tomorrow in Rajya Sabha it will be brought. There also after detailed discussion we are expecting that this bill will be passed, because there in Rajya Sabha also India has got a huge majority. We have been speaking to various people from Congress and Samajwadi Party. In fact, a day before yesterday, Ikra Hassan, who is also going to speak today during the discussion on the Waqf Amendment Bill, she had openly requested Chandrababu Naidu to vote against this bill, because this bill is against Muslims. But the government is of the view that if you have any kind of objection, then come on the floor of the House and discuss on that. So today the government is very confident. We'll have to see how the proceedings go on and what the government says and how the opposition...
We've seen in the past few years, as much as there is this confidence before, it's when that number is pressed, when that yes or no is pressed, that is going to be eventually deciding if the bill goes through in the Lok Sabha first and then in the Rajya Sabha.